welcome back to our podcast. We are very happy to be here again today with a discussion very close to teenager lives nowadays, which is of the influence of social media on teenagers. Almost all teenagers use social media starting from YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and all. Some people think social media very helpful and beneficial, but others believe social media can give many negative effects to teenagers. So, in this podcast, we will discuss this topic with two teams. We have the Pro 1,
My name is Sita Aulia Safira.
Pro 2,
My name is Elvan Septian.
Contra 1,
My name is Alisa Kustulidia Putri.
Contra 2,
My name is Azad Muzaki.
and my name Mahadewi Kirana. Okay, let's start. I will start pro team first. In your opinion, what are positive effects to teenagers?
In my opinion, social media really help teenagers get information. Nowadays, we can almost everything through internet. There are many education contexts that help students understand school subjects such as mathematics, English, and other science.
Also, social media can be learning tool. What about you, Pro 2?
I totally agree. Besides learning, social media also helps teenagers develop their creativity. Many young people show their talents through social media, such as singing, drawing, and cooking, and even running. So yeah, social media is so be a place for teenagers to grow and develop.
Very interesting. Now let's hear the opinion from the Contra team. Contra 1, what about you?
I think social media does have benefit, but negative impact also. Sometimes the teenagers are spend too much the time on social media, and they forget to not sleep, forget to study, and sometimes they focus more on their phone on real life.
Alright. So the problems is social media addiction. Pro 2, what about you?
I agree with that. Disaddiction social media often make teenagers compare teenagers or others. For example, when they see other people's lives looking perfect online, many teenagers end up feeling insecure, jealous, or lacking self-confidence.
Okay, pro tip. What your response to that?
In my opinion, everything depends on how a social media can give many benefits. We just need to make our team and avoid using it excessively.
Pro 2?
That's right. Besides that, social media it also makes in connection and ensure we can stay connected with friends and family who live for a while. Even during group studies, social media is so useful for discussion and sharing information.
Contra team. Do you see positive effect of social media on teenagers?
Of course, there are positive side, and I do not completely reject social media. It really helps to communication and information sharing. And however, the problem is that many teenagers find it difficult to control their use, which eventually affect their health and academic performance.
Contra 2?
Besides that, social media can also become a place for spreading fake news or hoax. Many people immediately believe information without checking whether it's true or not. This can create misunderstandings and even conflicts.
Wow, this is a quite serious issue. Pro team. What do you think about the hoax of social media?
Social media users critical of online information. Don't believe everything you see.
I agree with that. School and parents is to educate teenagers about to use social media safely and positively. This why teenager is not be easily influenced by negative to on the internet.
So, besides positive and negative impact, social media can also spend their free time. In the past, teenagers in their free time like playing outside, reading a books. But today, teenagers spend their free time with the smartphone and connected the internet.
Yes, that is true. However, I think social media can be still productive if teenager use it for useful creativity such and joining a tourist community.
I agree to some extent, but many teenagers also become less active physically because they spend too much time scrolling through social media. This can affect their health and daily habits.
Okay, that's a good point. So, social media not only affect communication and mental health, but also teenagers' lifestyle and habits. This discussion is getting more interesting. So, I want to ask another question. Does social media affect teenagers' mental health?
In my opinion, it really does. Many teenagers feel stressed because they often see negative comment and unrealistic standard of life on social media. Some even feel pressure it to always look perfect.
Exactly. Sometimes social media also makes people live lonely. Even though they have many followers, they become more focused on the online world, the interacting directly with people around them.
What is the response from the pro team? Rowan?
I understand, but depend on how we use it. When you search for learning information, connection, social media can actively benefit mental health.
Virtue?
I think the most important thing is balance. Teenagers still need time to study, spend time with family. Social media should not control our whole life.
No, I have question for about team. What should teenagers do to use social media more responsibly?
I think teenagers should learn to manage their screen time wisely. They should know when to use social media and when to focus on school.
I also think teenagers need to be careful about what they post online. Sometimes people share personal information too easily without thinking about privacy or safety.
That is very important advice. Social media can be beneficial, but users must also stay responsibly and careful while using it. Before we end this podcast, I would like its side give short conclusion. Let's start from the protein first.
In my opinion, social media brings many benefits to teenagers. If used wisely, social media help with learning, communication, and creativity.
I believe social media is not something bad. The most important is use it positively and not excessively.
No, from the control team.
In my opinion, social media still needs to be limited because it can cause addiction and affect teenager mental health.
I also think teenagers should be more careful when using social media because there are many negative impacts such as cyberbullying, hoax, and lower self-confidence.
Thank you for all your opinions shared today. From this, we can know social media has both positive and negative effect to teenagers. It all depends on how we use social media, it wisely and balance. Do not let social media control our lives, but instead use it for positive and beneficial purpose. So, thank you guys for listening our podcast today. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.
Behind the scene.